How to apply for homestead exemption in Florida. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for the homestead exemption in Florida. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. To qualify for a homestead exemption, you must own the property and use it as your primary residence. This exemption is only available for Florida residents. You'll need documents proving residency, such as a Florida driver's license, voter registration, or vehicle registration. Property documents like the deed to your home may also be required. Each county in Florida manages its own homestead exemption applications. Look up the website for your county's property appraiser's office for specific instructions. Access the homestead exemption application form from your county's property appraiser's website. Complete all required sections accurately to avoid delays. Florida's deadline for homestead exemption applications is March 1st. Submit the application along with your supporting documents online, by mail, or in person at your property appraiser's office. Once submitted, your application will be reviewed. If approved, the exemption will be reflected in your property tax statement, typically by fall of the tax year. That's all for the video.